Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Expedia for a minor. Whether you're planning a trip for your child or helping a young traveler get to their destination, this process will make booking straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll see the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on Flights to begin the booking process. This will take you to the flight search interface where you can start planning your journey. Next, you'll need to select your trip type. You'll see options for round-trip, one-way, or multi-city travel. Choose the option that best fits your travel plans by clicking on it. Each selection will adjust the booking form accordingly to match your needs. Now let's enter your travel details. In the Leaving From field, type in your departure city or airport. This is where your journey will begin. Then move to the Going To field and type in your arrival city or airport. Make sure you're entering the correct locations to avoid any confusion later on. After that, you'll need to select your travel dates. Click on the departure date field and use the calendar that appears to choose when you want to leave. Then select your return date in the same way if you chose a round-trip option. The calendar makes it easy to visualize your travel timeline. Once your dates are set, click on the Travelers drop-down. This is where you'll specify who's traveling. You can adjust the number of adults, children, infants on lap, and infants in seat by clicking the minus and plus buttons next to each category. When you're done adjusting, click Done to confirm your selections. Here's an important step. If you've added children or infants on lap to your booking, you'll need to specify their ages. Click the drop-down menu next to each child or infant and select their age from the list. This information is crucial for the airline to provide the appropriate services and seating. Now you're ready to search for flights. Click the search button and wait a few seconds while Expedia loads available flight options. The system will be pulling up the best matches based on your criteria, so give it a moment to process. Once the results appear, you'll see a list of departing flights in the right panel. Browse through the options, and when you find one that works for you, click Select to proceed. After selecting your departing flight, you'll be shown a list of returning flights. Browse these options as well and click Select on the one you prefer. Take a moment to review all your trip details carefully. Check the dates, times, airports, and number of travelers to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Checkout in the right panel, then click Continue to Checkout to move forward. On the checkout page, you'll need to fill out all the necessary forms, including the information for the minor who will be traveling. Enter their full name exactly as it appears on their identification documents. This step is critical for boarding purposes. Next, scroll down to the payment section. Fill out your debit or credit card number, the expiration date including both month and year, and the security code found on the back of your card. After that, enter your billing address, including the city, state, and zip code. Make sure all this information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. Finally, scroll down and click Complete Booking. Your reservation will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation email with all your flight details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.